Okay, so good morning everyone. So for today guys, ituloy lang natin ating discussion sa ating integral calculus. So the last time diniscuss natin about sa ating U substitution and then yung sa ating power rule. Sabi natin guys, kapag meron tayo ditong, okay, may mga nagjo-join, i-accept ko lang yung mga nagjo-join. Ayan. Sabi natin guys, kapag meron tayo ditong, wait lang, ilagay ko lang ano ko, nawawala yung aking, ilipat ko lang. Yung pen tablet ko, dikit ko lang guys. Ayun, nakadikit na. Okay, sabi natin guys, kapag meron tayo ditong integral of u raised to n du, it is equal to u raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Take note guys, yung ating u dito is yung ating function, yung du is the differential of our function, and yung n is yung ating exponent. But take note, when using this formula, our n must not be equal to negative 1. Okay? So kapag equal to negative 1 yung n natin, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung power rule natin. Which is, yun po yung ating gagawin mamaya, or yun po yung magiging topic natin later on. What if kapag nag-raise to negative 1 yung ating exponent? Okay? So for today guys, magkaroon lang tayo ng konting example dito sa ating uh, power rule natin. Okay? So try natin guys muna dito sa ating sample problem number 1. Basically, example ko na to sa ibang section. Pero isolve na lang natin ulit. Sabi natin guys, we have here the integral of x cubed dx all over the quantity 1 plus x raised to 4 raised to 2. So kapag may ganito tayong problem guys, okay, dapat ayusin muna natin siya. So kapag inayos natin siya guys, kung mapapansin natin, meron tayo ditong denominator na naka-raised to square. And alam naman natin guys, kapag yung denominator, inakyat natin siya, maging raised to negative na siya. Tama ba? So we have here guys, the quantity 1 plus x raised to 4 raised to negative 2 x cubed dx. And after that, di ba sabi natin sa ating use substitution natin, magle-let u tayo. And then usually, ang nile-let u natin guys is yung mga ma-exponent. Nasusundan? But dito, kung titignan natin guys, mas madaling gawin is i-let u natin guys si 1 plus x raised to 4. And then kapag hinanap natin differential nito, sabi natin our du will be equal to 4 x cubed dx. Okay? And as we can see here guys, this is x cubed dx and this is 4x cubed dx. And kung mapapansin natin guys, sobra tayo dito ng 4. Tama ba? Since sobra tayo dito ng 4, anong ginagawa natin guys kapag may sobra tayo para matanggal tong 4 natin dito? Anong gagawin natin? Anyone?
Divide itself,
Divide,
sir.
sir.
Okay, very
Divide.
good. We divide both sides by 4. Okay, dividing both sides by 4, mapapalabas natin guys, we have here du over 4 equal to x cubed dx. So parehas na tayo guys dito. Tama ba? Since parehas na tayo dito guys, anong gagawin natin? Siyempre, mag-substitute na tayo. Sabi natin, 1 plus x raised to 4, it is equal to u. So papalitan natin to guys ng u. And ito ating x cubed dx is equal to du over 4. Therefore, itong part na to, papalitan natin siya ng du over 4. So meron tayo dito guys, you see our formula. Sabi natin, we have here u raised to negative 2. Okay, multiply by du over 4. But take note, this 1/4 here, pwede mo yung ilabas. Magiging 1/4 integral of u raised to negative 2 du. Okay, and after that, itong part na to, pwede natin itong gamitan ng ating power rule formula, which is, mapapalabas natin, we have here 1/4 multiplied by u raised to negative 2 plus 1 all over negative 2 plus 1 plus c. Take note guys ha, huwag natin kalilimutan yung plus c natin dito sa dulo natin. Okay, wait lang guys ha. Wait lang. Okay, all over negative 2 plus 1 plus c. So, anong gagawin natin dito? Siyempre, isimplify natin to, mapapalabas natin, we have here 1/4 times u raised to negative 1 all over negative 1 plus c. And after natin itong ayusin, mapapalabas natin guys, this will be equal to negative 1/4, okay, u raised to negative 1 plus c. But we all know guys that kapag may negative exponent tayo, anong ginagawa natin? Binababa natin siya or nililipat natin siya ng position. So we have here negative 1 over 4 u raised to 1 or kahit di mo na yung 1 plus c. Pero sabi natin, itong u natin, ibalik natin siya dito sa dati nating form, which is yung ating 1 plus x raised to 4. So our final answer will be, okay, we have your negative 1 over 4 multiplied by 1 plus x raised to 4 plus c. So this will be our final answer. Guys, madali lang naman yung ating u substitution. Okay? Another example is kapag meron naman tayo ditong trigo. Okay, last time nagbigay ko ng example ng mga trigo natin, but this time, maglagay tayo ng ibang itsura ng kanyang angle. Okay, so for example, meron tayo ditong integral of sine squared 3x cosine 3x dx. Okay? So meron tayo dito guys, ipakita ko lang. Mukhang hindi, nag-share na ba yung screen natin? Mukhang mahina ata internet ko. Wait lang guys ha. Ayun. Okay, so you have your integral of sine squared 3x cosine 3x dx. Okay, kapag ganito yung problem natin guys, huwag tayong matakot sa trigo function natin. Isipin nyo lang palagi guys, pinakaunang gagawin, itry natin guys si u substitution. Using u substitution guys, let u is equal to saan? Ano gagamitin kung let u dito? Ano gagamitin natin u dito? Yung ma-expose. Okay, so meron itong okay, sine 3x. Very good. So u natin will be equal to sine 3x. So ano bang differential ng sine 3x? What is the differential of sine 3x?
Cos, sir, I think.
Okay, cosine.
3x, ano?
Okay, cosine 3x, ano pa?
Over the x.
Okay, ganito guys ha. Di ba sabi natin yung derivative ng sine u is equal to cos u du over dx. Tama ba? Naalala nyo ba to? Di ba sabi natin ang derivative ng ating sine u is equal to cos u du over dx. Ibig sabihin, i-multiply mo pa siya sa derivative ng kanyang angle. Tama ba? So, ano magiging differential ng ating sine 3x? Ano magiging differential ng ating sine 3x? Anyone?
Cos 3x dx, sir.
Okay, pakita ko na lang. Du is equal to cos 3x 3 dx. Okay, ulitin ko kayo sa differential ng ating sine 3x is cos 3x multiplied by 3 dx. Tandaan natin guys ha, kasi sabi natin, okay, derivative ng ating sine u is equal to saan? Cos u times du over dx. Yung cos u, ito yon. Yung du over dx, itong 3 na susundan. Ibig sabihin du over dx, derivative ng ating angle natin. Nasusundan? Okay. So, meron tayo ditong sobra ng 3. Dito naman, wala tayong 3 dito. Ano gagawin natin guys para matanggal yung 3 natin dito?
Divide 3.
Okay, so we will divide both sides by 3. Very good. So, dividing both sides by 3, mapapalabas natin du over 3 equal to cos 3x dx. So, let's substitute na. Okay, using our formula natin integral of u raised to n du equal to u raised to n plus 1 all over n plus 1 plus c. Substitute natin kasi mga values na meron tayo. Meron tayo dito u squared times du over 3 equal to saan? 1/3 ng ating u raised to 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1 plus c. Tama ba? I-simplify natin to, mapapalabas natin 1/3 u cube all over 3 plus c, or sabihin natin 1/9 u cube plus c. Okay, guys, ano maging answer natin guys kapag ganito? Sabi natin guys, we have here 1/9 u cube plus c. Okay, pero this will not be our final answer because sabi natin, isa-substitute back natin yung value ng ating u. Ano ba yung value ng u natin? Okay, sin
Sin 3x,
3x.
sir.
Okay, thank you, sin 3x. So we have here 1/9, okay, sin cube 3x plus c. Okay, I repeat. Sabi natin, ibabalik natin guys yung value ng ating u. Yung u natin is equal to sin 3x. So, ibig sabihin, our final answer will be 1/9 sin cube 3x plus c. Okay? Clear po ba yun guys? Clear ba sa atin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear.
Okay, clear naman sa atin. Okay, so what if guys, itry natin itong problem na to. Pakita ko na lang muna. Okay, so integral of ln of x over x dx. Okay, integral of ln of x, okay, over x dx. Okay guys, kapag may ganito tayong problem, anong gagawin natin? Okay, if ever ganyan yung problem natin, ano pong gagawin natin?
I think, sir, transfer ata yung x sa denominator o numerator.
Ilipat natin yung ating x sa taas, ganun ba?
Yes, sir.
Ganun. Okay, try natin guys ha, try natin.
Transpose,
So, integral yung ating x raised to -1 ln of x dx. Okay, ganito ba? Okay, after nito, anong gagawin natin? Anong yun natin dito?
NX ata, sir. NX or NX yung u.
Okay, u is equal to ln of x. Okay, anong
Yes,
meron? Anong bang derivative ng ln of x? Okay, ito guys, gawin natin, no? Tama yung sinabi nyo. Yung u natin will be, okay, ayusin natin muna siya. Meron itong ln of x multiplied by dx over x. Take note guys, kapag yung ating u ay equal to ln of x, ano bang derivative ng ln of x? Ano bang derivative ng natural logarithm of x? Ano?
1 over x.
Okay, 1 over x, diba? Pero ano bang differential niya? Diba dx over x, tama ba? So, du is equal to dx over x, tama ba? Tama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sabi natin, the differential of ln of x is equal to dx over x. Question, same na ba siya dito? Same na siya, tama ba?
Yes,
O, sir,
sir.
same.
Okay, so since same na tayo dito, anong gagawin natin? Mag-substitute na lang tayo. So sabi natin, the value of our ln of x is equal to u. Tama ba? So ito, magiging u. The value of our dx over x is equal to du. So wala na tayong problema. So meron tayo ditong integral of u du is equal to u raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus c. Tama ba? Tama? So meron tayo ditong u squared over 2 plus c. But take note, ano bang value ng ating u?
Ln of x, sir.
Ano?
Ln of
Ln
x.
Okay,
Ln of
ln.
x.
Ln of x. L to guys, hindi to I. Okay? ln of x. Okay, ln of x is equal to u. So meron tayo itong ln squared x over 2 plus c. So this will be our final answer. Ito na maging final answer natin. Nasusundan? Okay, nag-gets po ba?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
What if bi sir ang squared bala sir dira sa may x okay lang na sir?
Sa may?
Sa may
Dito?
x.
Dito? Diyan ba? Or dito? Saan? Saan yung x natin? Dito ba sa taas o sa baba?
Sa
Yung
sa taas sir, sa may final na bala sir nga ano, nga answer. What if ln of x squared sir pwede na siya?
Ay, dito. Diyan.
Yes sir.
Mali siya kapag ganun. Okay, dapat kapag isulat mo siya, pwedeng ganito. Pwedeng ganito. Ito, sulat ko lang Nakikita niyo ba yung sinusulat ko? Or wala pa? Pwedeng
Yes, sir.
ganito. Pwedeng ganito. Pero, hindi pwedeng ganito. Okay? Nakikita niyo ba?
Yes sir.
Hindi pwede to. Ito, pwede. Okay? Pero
Okay,
syempre,
sir.
para mas magandang tignan, ganito na lang. Tandaan nyo, kapag mag-square kayo naman ng transcendental function, itabi nyo siya dun sa ano niya. Nasusundan? Okay, gets po ba? Nasusundan po?
Okay sir, thank you.
Okay. Sige. Okay, sige. Okay, guys. Siguro for 3 minutes, pakisagutan po itong ating seat work natin. Okay, and this seat work will be recorded. Pakisagutan na lang po ito. Or this will be your attendance for today. Magsisend ako dito guys ng pagsisendan nyo. So, ito yung magiging seat work natin guys. Okay? So, we have here guys. Nakita nyo ba yung sinulat ko nakita nyo ba yung screen natin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, integral of quantity 1 plus 1 over t cubed multiplied by 1 over t squared dt. Okay? So, ulitin ko guys ito yung seat work natin saglit. For 3 minutes, pakisagutan po ito. Magsisend ako guys sa ating chat box na ating pagsesendan nitong seat work natin. Okay? This will serve as your attendance for today. Okay po? Okay, so far may question tayo dito. May question?
Wala naman, sir.
Okay, sige. Okay, sige. For 3 minutes, pakisagutan po. And then mag-post ako dito sa ating chat box natin.
Oh my God.
Okay?
Ay. Ako. Ayun. 1 plus 1. Why is 1? Still. 3 over 2. 1 t squared. dt. This is 1. 1 plus t. And is equals to 3. And du is t squared for dt. I think 0. Is 3 over dt. This squared is 3 divided by 3.
Pabayaan mo, sa gusto niya marinig lang natin siya.
du u to dt for 3 3 squared 3D. 1 DD.
Okay, so paki-upload na lang dito guys. Paki-upload dito.
Three plus 1 plus 2. 1, 3, 4 plus 6. 1
Oh, okay ka lang dyan, Andre?
Yes, sir.
Inuntog ka ata dyan, ha?
Yun na lang.
Okay. So, anong sagot natin dito, guys? Nakapagsagot na ba kayo? Anyone? Okay, sino may sagot na? Okay, sige. Try nating sagutan guys ha. Nakikita yung screen ko?
Yes, sir.
Ipasa nyo na lang guys, no? Ipasa nyo na lang. Okay, so dito guys, sa problem natin, ano guys yung i-let u ko dito? Let u is equal to?
1 plus 1 over t.
Okay, 1 plus 1 over t. Guys, ano ang differential ng ating 1 plus 1 over t?
1 over t squared, sir.
1 over?
T squared.
Okay, positive or negative?
Negative.
Okay,
Negative.
negative 1 over t squared.
T squared.
Okay, kasi pakita ko lang isa. Nakikita nyo ba yung ano ko? So, meron itong du is equal to, nakikita ba yung sinusulat ko?
Yes, sir.
Okay, differential ng ating 1 ay 0. Differential ng ating ano ay magko-quotient rule tayo. Try natin mag-quotient rule or try natin ano. Okay, using quotient rule na lang. So, plus, okay, sabi natin, UDV or VDU, UDV over V squared. Tama ba? So, meron tayo dito, T multiplied by 0 minus 1 multiplied by 1. Tama ba? All over T squared multiplied by dt. Tama ba? And as we can see, mapapalabas natin dito, this will become du is equal to negative 1 over t squared dt. Take note please ha, negative ito. Baka makalimutan yung negative sign natin. Or pwede rin naman kayo pumunta dito. Kapag tinas yung t, magiging negative t raised to 1 yan, di ba? Or magiging t raised to negative 1. Differential nito will be, or negative, okay yan, tama no? Okay, differential nito will be ano? Okay, t raised to negative 2. Tama ba? Pero take note, may negative 1 ka dito na minultiply. Kaya mapapalabas nyo dito is negative 1 over t squared. Okay, maraming estudyante nakakalimutan nila yung negative sign dito. Okay, so napakahalaga guys dito na dapat alam natin pa rin mag-differentiate. Nasusundan? Mag-differentiate using quotient rule, product rule, or kahit anuman. Okay, or mag-chain rule. Walang problema dyan. Okay, kapag hindi natin alam mag-differentiate, mahirapan tayo sa pag-solve natin. Okay, so we have your negative 1 over t squared dt. Okay, question guys. Ito bang negative 1 over t squared dt natin, same ba siya dito sa ating 1 over t squared dt? Same ba siya dito?
Yes,
Hindi,
sir.
diba?
Same lang.
Oh, same lang pero
Pero may
may
negative.
negative. Okay, so anong gagawin natin guys para mawala yung negative natin? Anong gagawin natin guys para mawala si negative sign?
Multiply sa 1, sir.
Multiplied kay
-1.
Okay, -1. So we will multiply both sides by -1. So multiplying both sides by -1. Okay, so meron tayo ditong ilan? Anong mapapalabas natin? So we have here, negative du is equal to 1 over t squared dt. Nasusundan? So meron tayo ditong negative du is equal to 1 over d squared dt. Okay? So after that, mag-substitute na tayo using our formula ng ating power rule. Substitute natin mga values na meron tayo. Take note, this 1 plus 1 over t is equal to u. And then itong ating 1 over t squared dt is equal to negative du. So we have here guys, integral of u cubed multiplied by negative du. Ilabas yung si negative dyan, magiging negative. Wait lang, nawawala yung pen ko. Okay, magiging negative integral of u cubed du. Tama ba? So equals to saan? Negative, the quantity, u raised to 3 plus 1 all over 3 plus 1 plus c. Okay, so sabi natin we have here negative u raised to 4 over 4 plus c. Or i-substitute back natin case yung value ng ating u. We have here guys negative, okay, times the quantity 1 plus 1 over t raised to 4 over 4 plus c. So this will be our final answer. Okay? This will be our final answer.
Sala.
Nasusundan? Tama ba yung sagot nyo? Okay, yung iba siguro
Mali
inyo.
sa akin, sir.
Mali sa inyo.
Mali,
Okay.
sir.
Okay lang
Hindi
yan.
tama.
Okay, ang mahalaga guys ay alam nyo na kung paano gagawin natin. Basta take note guys. Okay, una yung gawin dito para hindi kayo mahirapan, itry nyo na lang munang i-let yung mga ma-exponent. Okay, pero kapag nakita nyo naman guys na yung isa kapag dinifferentiate mo is magiging equal sa kabila, yun ang gawin mong let u. Okay? Basta take nyo lang palagi guys, dapat alam natin or kabisado pa rin natin mag-find ng ating mga derivatives. Okay? Okay. Sige. Okay, so dito, last problem natin dito. And then mag-proceed tayo sa next na sample problem natin. Or dun sa ating next na lesson natin. So we have here guys, integral of, okay, x cubed minus x squared plus x minus 6 all over x minus 2 dx. Okay, kapag may ganito tayong problem guys, pinakauna yung titignan ay yung degree ng ating mga function natin. So sa ating numerator, anong degree natin dito sa numerator? Di ba? Third degree ito. Third degree because yung ating highest exponent ay 3. Dito naman ay first degree to na function kasi ang ating highest exponent dito ay 1. Okay. So dito guys, kapag mas mataas, okay, yung degree ng ating numerator compared to our denominator, ang gagawin natin dito guys ay magdi-divide tayo. Okay guys, naalala niyo pa po ba mag-divide ng ating mga ganito? Mga rational expression? Okay, pwede kayong gumamit ng synthetic division, pwede kayong gumamit guys ng long division. Ipakita ko na lang sa inyo guys kung paano ba tayo mag-divide using long division. Using long division, we have here x minus 2. So dito sa loob ng ating division ay x cubed minus x squared plus x minus 6. Okay. Guys, ilang x yung kailangan natin para maging x cube siya?
Tatlo? Tatlo, sir?
Tatlo ba? Dalawa. Dalawa lang kasi, di ba? Dalawa lang i-multiply natin dito kay x para maging x cube siya, di ba? Kasi x raised to 1 na to, no? So, need mo lang dito ng x squared. So, x squared multiplied by x is equal to x cubed. X squared multiplied by negative 2 equal to saan? X squared multiplied by negative 2 equal to saan? Equal to saan? X squared multiplied by negative 2 equal to saan? X squared multiplied by negative 2 equal to saan? Negative,
Negative 2, sir.
negative 2x squared. Okay, negative 2x squared. Nasusundan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, ipag-minus natin to. X cubed minus x cubed is equal to 0. Negative x squared minus negative 2 equal to saan?
Negative 3x cubed, sir. Ay,
Okay, ulitin ko. Negative x squared minus negative 2x squared.
Positive x squared, sir.
Okay, positive x squared. Nasusundan? Okay, ulitin ko kayo sa ulitin ko. Negative x squared minus negative 2x squared is equal to positive x squared. Okay? Huwag yung kalilimutan guys kung paano mag-minus, no? If ever man, gumamit kayo ng calculator nyo. Pwede naman tayong gumamit ng calculator natin. Okay, maglabas ako ng calculator guys ha. Maglabas ako ng calculator. Okay, so maglabas tayo ng calculator natin para makita nyo. Okay. Lahat naman kayo siguro dito may calculator, no? So, i-share ko lang guys sa aking calculator. Okay, nakikita nyo na ba yung calculator ko?
Yes, sir. Malaki nga.
Malaki nga. Okay. So, negative 1. Okay? Kasi negative x squared. Di mo naman malagay yung x dito, no? So, negative 1 minus negative 2. Okay? So, equals to positive 1. Nakikita nyo ba yung positive 1 dito? Nakita nyo?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
ever man guys, kapag di kayo, kapag hindi nyo ma-mental, i-calculator yun na lang. Wala namang masama guys kapag i-calculator natin. Okay, so we have your negative 1 minus negative 2 is equal to positive 1. So meron tayo itong positive x squared. Okay, and then i-bring down natin guys itong mga nandito. So plus x minus 6. Okay, ganun, ulitin lang natin kasi maubos. Ilang x yung kailangan mo para matanggal ito, para maging x squared siya?
Isa, sir.
Isa, sir.
Isa lang, di ba? So, x lang to. So, x times x is equal to x squared. X times negative 2 is equal to negative 2x. And then, ipag-minus natin to. Di ba? So, x squared minus x squared is equal to 0. X minus negative 2x is equal to saan?
3x.
Ilan?
3x.
Okay, positive 3x. So, we have here, positive 3x. Tapos, i-bring down natin, guys, si 6. So, bringing down 6. Okay, so meron tayong 3x. And then, the process will just follow. Okay, anong i-multiply natin kay x para maging 3x siya?
3.
3, very good. So, 3 multiplied by x is equal to 3x. 3 multiplied by negative 2 is equal to saan?
Negative 6.
Okay, negative 6. Very good. Tapos, i-minus natin siya. 3x minus 3x is equal to 0. Negative 6 minus negative 6 is equal to
0.
0.
Equal.
Okay, very good. It is equal to 0. Nasusundan? Okay, so i-share ko na lang ulit yung ano natin. Yung screen ko para hindi nyo na makita yung calculator. Okay, so dito guys, sabi natin we have here x squared plus x plus 3. Diba? Okay, and after that guys, ito na mismo yung gagamitin natin. Yung dito sa taas, ito na mismo guys yung gagamitin natin sa integration. So we have here guys, integral of x squared plus x plus 3 dx. Okay? So ito na guys yung gagamitin natin. So, guys, kayang-kaya na natin to, tama ba? Okay, anong integral nitong x squared?
X squared.
Ito to.
2x.
Integral.
X cube over 3, sir.
Okay, very good. It is equal to x cubed over 3. How about the integral of this x? Di ba ginagawa natin to? Madali lang to.
X. Derivative is 1 mo.
X
X squared over 2.
squared over 2. Very good. What is the integral of 3?
3x, sir.
Okay, 3x plus c. Okay, so meron tayo dito guys. Ito, minano-mano ko lang dito. So sabi natin guys, meron itong integral of x squared dx plus x dx plus 3 dx. Sabi natin guys, we have here x raised to 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus x raised to 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus 3x plus c. So meron tayo dito guys, x cubed over 3 plus x squared over 2 plus 3x plus c. But take note guys, gusto natin guys na i-simplify pa to further. Okay guys, question. Ano yung LCD natin dito?
6, sir.
Okay, very good. LCD natin guys ay 6. So sabi natin, our LCD is equal to 6. So meron tayo dito over 6. Okay, ulitin ko. Over 6. So 6 divided by 3 equal to saan?
2.
2. 2
Oh, sir.
times x cubed?
2x
2x cube.
2x cubed. Very good. 6 divided by 3 is equal to saan?
3.
3.
3 plus x squared is equal to saan?
3x
3
squared.
squared.
Okay, 3x squared. 6 divided by 1 is equal to saan?
6.
6 times 3x is equal to?
18x.
Very good, 18x. Okay, erasing ko lang to. 18x plus 18x plus c. Okay, but take note guys. Okay, pakita ko dito. We have your 2x cubed plus 3x squared plus 18x over 6 plus c. But take note guys, pwede natin itong isimplify pa further. Tama ba? So ano ba yung common factor natin dito sa taas, sa numerator?
X, sir.
Okay, x, very good. So factoring out x, okay? So meron tayo ditong final answer natin will be x multiplied by 2x squared plus 3x plus 18 over 6. So this will be our final answer. Okay? May question tayo? Nakikita nyo ba yung sinusulat ko?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige. Wala tayong question. Okay, bakit malungkot si Ace? Si Ace ba yun? Okay. Eto guys, nag-divide tayo. Kasi nga pwede natin itong i-divide. But basta take note guys, kapag mas malaki yung ating numerator kaysa kay denominator, yung exponent natin, okay, mag-divide tayo. Okay, pero kapag mas malaki na may denominator kaysa kay numerator, try natin muna mag-use substitution. Okay po? So dito guys, okay, punta lang tayo dito guys sa ating next na lesson. Okay, skip ko muna si module number 2, no? Si module number 2 kasi yung definite integral natin kahit nasa huli na yon. Okay, punta na lang muna tayo guys dito sa ating integration ng ating natural logarithmic functions natin, which is yung ating ln. Ito. Okay? Hanapin daw natin dito na kung saan integration natin, palalabas natin si natural logarithmic function. Di ba sabi natin, sa ating power rule natin, we have your integral of u raised to n du is equal to u raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. But take note, our n here must not be equal to negative 1. Okay? Kasi kapag ginamit mo si negative 1, ano magiging answer natin? Magiging u raised to 0 over 0. Tama ba? Magiging
Yes, sir.
u raised to 0 over 0. So, wala tayong magiging undefined answer natin. Pero what if guys? What if lang? What if Okay, naging raised to negative 1 yung exponent natin. Okay, dito na po papasok guys itong ating next na lesson. Okay, sabi natin guys, ito no, ipakita ko lang. The integral of u raised to negative 1 du is equal to saan? Ln of u plus c. Okay, I repeat. Okay, the integral of u raised to negative 1 du is equal to ln of u plus c. Nasusundan? Or, itong ating integral, ating du over u is equal to ln of u plus c. Nasusundan na natin?
Yes, sir.
Okay? So, ipakita ko dito guys. Sabi natin yung ating differential ng u is to yung ating du natin. Okay? So, siguro para mas maintindihan natin, okay, try natin guys magkaroon ng sample problem. Okay. Question. Ito bang ating problem natin, pwede mo ba itong ipag-divide? Pwede ba?
I think.
Hindi, sir.
Okay, hindi pwede. Okay, ito natin palagi guys ha. Kapag mas mataas yung exponent ng numerator kaysa kay denominator, pwede ka mag-divide. Pwede. Pero kapag mas mataas guys yung ating exponent ng ating denominator compared to our numerator, okay, hindi tayo makakapag-divide dyan. Okay, ipakita ko lang guys ha. Ipakita ko. Dito, nag-divide tayo sa ating problem kanina. Okay? Dito, nag-divide tayo sa problem natin kanina. Yung x cubed minus x squared plus x minus 6 over x minus 2 dx. Nag-divide tayo dito. Tama ba? Kasi mas mataas exponent ating numerator compared to our denominator. Okay, pero since yung ating numerator ngayon, yung sa ating problem ngayon, iba ko lang sa ating problem ngayon, okay, is mas mataas po yung ating exponent na ating denominator compared to our numerator, hindi tayo dito makapag-divide. Okay? Nasusundan? So, ano bang gagawin natin guys para ma-solve natin to? Okay, para ma-solve natin to guys, okay, sabi ko sa inyo, kapag mas mataas yung numerator ng denominator, try natin guys mag-let u. Okay? So, if yung ating u natin is equal to x squared plus 1, ano guys yung magiging du natin?
Dx over x, sir.
Ilan?
Dx over x, sir. Ay. X.
An-
X dx, sir.
Okay, ulitin ko. Kapag yung u natin is equal to x squared plus 1, ano po yung magiging du natin? Ano po?
2x dx, sir.
Okay, 2x dx, di ba? 2x dx. Nasusundan? Okay, 2x dx. Okay, 2x dx. Do dito, dx lang to, no? Or x dx lang to, di ba? Kasi kapag aayusin natin to, pwede siya maging ganito. 1 over x squared plus 1 times x dx. Tama ba? Ito, x dx. Okay. Paano natin to magiging x dx? Ano gagawin natin guys dito para matanggal tong 2 dito? Anong way guys yung gagawin natin para matanggal yung 2 natin dito?
Divide by 2, sir.
Divide by 2.
Okay, dividing both sides by 2. So we have here du over 2 equal to x dx. Tama ba?
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
So i-substitute na natin guys itong mga values na to dito sa ating substitution. Sabi natin, ito magiging u. Ito naman magiging du over 2. Tama ba? So meron tayo dito guys, integral of 1 over u multiplied by du over 2. Tama ba? Nasusundan?
Yes,
Okay, dito, i-factor out natin guys yung ating 1 over 2. Factoring out 1 over 2. So meron ditong 1 over 2 multiplied by 1/2. Okay, so 1 over 2 multiplied by the integral of 1 over u du. Nasusundan? Okay, so meron tayo dito guys. Ano na ulit guys yung integral itong 1 over u du natin? Anong integral ng ating 1 over u du?
No?
Anong integral ng ating 1 over u du, guys?
Hindi pa ito.
What is the
1 over
integral
du.
of 1 over u du?
Ano, sir? Ang 1 over x squared plus 1 plus 2x dx, sir.
Okay, ulitin ko. Anong integral ng 1 over u du? Okay. Guys, kung titignan natin, di ba kapag itataas natin yung u natin sa baba, itong 1 over 2 integral of u raised to negative 1 du. Di ba sabi natin, hindi natin to pwedeng gamitan ng power rule, di ba? Kasi raised to negative 1. Tama po? So, anong gagawin
Yes,
natin? As we can see here, guys, kung babalikan natin tong ating formula, may iba tayong formula dito. Kapag yung ating exponent ay negative 1 or kapag yung ating integral is 1 over u, sabi natin guys, ang answer natin will be ln of u plus c. Okay? Ln of u plus c. Nasusundan ba? So, ibig sabihin guys, kung babalikan natin to ating question, okay, meron tayo ditong, okay, 1/2 times the integral of 1 over u du, it is equal to 1 over 2 ln of u plus c. Okay, ito yung magiging answer natin, right? But sabi natin, ibalik natin guys yung value ng u natin. Yung u natin guys is x squared plus 1. So therefore, our final answer will be 1 over 2 ln of x squared plus 1 plus c. Okay, so this will be our final answer. Okay? Nasusundan po ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, may question dito? Wala? Okay, don't worry. Mas madali lang actually itong mga loan natin. Okay, ipakita ko lang sa inyo guys ha. More example problem tayo. So, if we have here, okay, integral of 3x squared plus 1 all over x cubed plus x. Question, pwede ba natin tong ipag-divide? Pwede ba? Yes or no?
Magyapon eh.
Hindi pwede, no? Bakit hindi siya pwedeng ipag-divide? Kasi?
Mataas ang exponents, sir.
Mas mataas po yung power ng nasa baba.
Okay, very good. Mas mataas yung exponent nung nasa baba, di ba? Kapag mas mataas yung exponent nung nasa baba, hindi natin ito pwedeng ipag-divide. Okay? Pero kapag yung taas, mas mataas, pwede natin ipag-divide yun. So since mas mataas yung nasa baba, hindi natin siya pwedeng ipag-divide, ang gawin natin guys, mag-let u tayo. Okay? So para hindi ka dito mahirapan guys, i-let u muna yung nasa baba. We have here, u equal to x cubed plus x. Okay, question. Ano ang differential nitong ating x cubed plus x? Differential niya.
3x squared dx, sir.
Okay, 3x squared.
dx
Plus,
Okay, baka may kulang. Plus.
plus 1 dx, sir.
Okay, very good. So we have here, du natin is equal to 3x squared plus 1 dx. Nasusundan? Okay, meron pa tayo ditong plus 1 dito. Okay, question. Same na ba ito dito sa ating question? Dito sa taas natin? Ito ba ay parehas na po ba siya dun sa ating dito sa taas? Kasi 'di ba ito magiging u. Ito same na ba siya dito?
yes, sir. DU na yan.
Okay, du na yan. So kapag isa-substitute natin yan guys, we have here integral of du over u na yan. Tama ba? Which is, ano bang integral ng ating du over u? Di ba sabi natin, the integral of du over u ay ln of u plus c. Tama ba? So, ibig sabihin guys,
Yes.
since this is ln of u plus c, ano bang value ng u natin? U natin is x cubed plus
Cube
x.
plus x.
Okay, so therefore, this will be our final answer. Okay, so this will be our final answer. Okay? Madali lang naman siya, guys, di ba? Madali lang naman yung ating problem natin. Okay? Okay, another example. So we have here guys, integral of secant squared x over tangent x dx. Okay. So dito guys, baka isipin nyo, gumamit tayo dito ng mga identity. Pero guys, kung titignan natin, no, kung i-let yun natin guys si ating tangent x, ano ba ang differential ng tangent x? What is the differential of tangent x?
Um,
What is the differential of tangent x,
Tangent
guys?
x.
Second squared x.
Okay,
X
sec
dx.
x squared x dx, di ba? So, secant squared x dx. Very good. So, kung titingnan natin, guys, the integral of secant squared x dx, saan siya equal? Saan equal to?
U, sir.
Sa du.
U.
Saan naman equal tong tangent x?
U.
U.
U. Very good. So, saan ba equivalent to ating integral of du over u?
Ln
Oh,
tan x.
Okay, very good. Ln of tan x plus c, di ba? Or lagay ko dito muna, ln of u plus c. Or sabihin natin, our final answer will be ln of tangent x plus c. So this will be our final answer. Okay? Okay, clear ba? Kayang-kaya naman, no? Kaya-kaya?
kakayanin, sir.
Kakayanin. Okay. Next sample problem. Okay po? Okay, we have here, guys. Okay. Integral of 1 over x, okay, ln of x dx. Okay? So guys, ganito yung problem natin. So ano guys yung gagawin natin dito? Okay. So dito guys, kung papansin natin, pwede natin itong i-arrange. Meron tayo dito integral of 1 over ln of x times dx over x. Diba? Kung isipin natin guys, kapag tinaas mo tong ln of x, magiging raised to negative 1 yan. So pwede mong gamitan to na ating formula ng ating ln of x. Tama ba? So we have here guys, sabi natin, i-let u natin guys is si ln of x. What is the differential of ln of x? Ano yung differential ng ln of x natin guys?
dx over x, sir.
Dx over x lang, di ba? So dx over x. So yung ating du is equal to dx over x which is equivalent to this, di ba? Wala tayong need na i-minus, i-divide, i-plus, or i-times. Tama po? Ito naman, equivalent din siya dito. So meron tayo ditong integral of du over u which is ln of u plus c. So ano guys yung magiging final answer natin kapag ganito?
Ln,
Ano yan, ln?
ln x plus c, sir.
Ulitin ko, ano yung answer natin?
Ln and
Ln
x
x
plus
plus-
c.
Ln x
Okay.
lang, sir.
Ln of
Plus c.
ln of x plus c. Okay, so this will be our final answer. Ln of x plus c. So this will be our final answer. Okay? Nasusunod ba, guys? Nasusunod ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige nga, kayo nga guys, pakisabi nga sa akin yung answer nyo dito. Okay? So we have here guys, integral of secant x tangent x all over secant x minus 1 dx. Okay, pakisagutan nga to. And then check ko guys kung ano answer nyo. Okay, actually ito mga 1 minute lang to sinusolve. 1 minute kung alam niyo yung differential ng secant, di ba? Okay, yes, Andre.
Susolve ako, sir.
Kasi susolve ka pa. Yes, June.
Ang answer, yes sir, is ln of sec x minus 1 plus 3.
Okay, sabi ni June
Tama
Carl ay, check natin. Ln of secant x minus 1 plus C. Ganito ba yung answer mo, June Carl?
Opo, sir.
Okay, check natin yan. How about yung iba? Okay, sige. Sagutan natin, no? Ano ang i-let u ko dito? Let u is equal to? Okay, si June na lang. Si June Carl na lang. Anong nilet u mo dito, June Carl?
I think, sir, let
Sec
x minus 1.
minus 1.
Okay.
Minus 1.
Thank you. Secant x minus 1. Anong differential ng secant x minus 1?
Yung sa taas.
Yun lang
Sec
din,
x.
di ba? Okay, sec x tangent x dx. And as we can see, it is the direct equivalent of this. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
So, ibig sabihin, naging ganito siya. Integral of du over u lang din siya. So, equal siya sa ln of u plus c.
Plus 3. O, tama.
Okay? So, this will be our final answer. Diba? Guys, itong mga problem natin sa integral calculus, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Na mas madali ang integral calculus compared to differential calculus. Ang pinagkaiba lang kasi, or sabihin natin, ang medyo mahirap lang naman dito ng part is kapag mali ka na dito sa ito, yung unang solution. Yung mag-let u ka, tapos hanapin mo yung differential. Kapag hindi mo alam, guys, kumuha ng derivative or differential, doon ka mahirapan, di ba? Pero kapag alam mo naman kung paano kunin yan, kaya mo, di ba? Madali lang. Sa integral calculus, hindi naman ganun kahaba yung solution. Unlike sa differential calculus na medyo mahaba, di ba? Pero syempre, alam nyo na yan. Or kung di nyo man masyadong kabisado ang differential calculus, walang problema. Okay, tutulungan ko naman kayo. Or magtanong lang kayo or magpatulong kayo sa akin para wala tayong maging problema. Okay? Sige nga, ito nga guys, pakitry nga nito kung anong answer natin dito. Okay, pakitry nga. Okay, sige. Ganito lang. Anong ililet ko dito?
Yung sa ilalim, sir.
Okay, kasi hindi ito pwedeng i-divide, di ba?
Mataas
ito
yung
pwede.
exponent.
Okay, sige. So, meron tayo ditong u equal to x cubed plus 3x squared plus 9x. Ano ang differential dito?
Yung sa
Taas.
taas, sir.
Hindi, check nyo muna. I-solve nyo muna. Huwag tayong masyadong excited. Ano? Anong differential ng ating... Okay, 3x squared
Plus
plus...
Plus 6x plus 9.
Okay, plus 6x plus 9dx. Question, same ba siya dito sa taas?
hindi, sir.
Hindi. Pero sa tingin natin, meron ba tayong way dito para maging pares sa taas?
Divide by 3, sir.
Divided by
Okay,
3.
kapag nag-divide by 3 tayo, because alam naman natin guys na these are all divisible by 3. Since these are all divisible by 3, ilabas mo yung 3 natin dyan. We have here 3, or sabihin natin du is equal to 3 multiplied by x squared plus 2x plus 3 multiplied by dx. Question, same na siya dito, no? Sobrang nga lang siya ng 3. So, anong gagawin natin guys para matanggal yung 3 dito? By dividing this both sides by 3, mapapalabas natin, we have here, du over 3 is equal to the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 3 dx. Tama ba? Okay, and then we simplify this or substitute natin guys yung mga values na meron tayo. So, meron tayo dito guys, sabi natin, okay, our numerator or ito, Equal siya dito, which is du over 3 divided by ito, which is equal to u. Tama ba? So this will be equal to u. So kapag inayos natin to guys, magiging 1/3 ng integral ng du over u. Which is, integral ng du over u is equal to ln of u plus c. So our answer will be 1/3 ln of u plus c. Okay? Nasusunod ba? Or kapag ayusin natin yan, yung ln of u natin will be ganito. So we have here, answer natin will be 1/3 ng ating ln of x cubed plus 3x squared plus 9x plus c. So this will be our final answer. Okay? Okay, so far, any question dito? Wala kayong question? Okay, since wala kayong question for our final problem or final question, iyan ko lang to. Ito. Okay. So dito guys, you have here the integral of x cubed minus 6x minus 20 all over x minus 5 dx. Question. Pwede mo ba itong ipag-divide?
Yes, sir.
Opo.
Pwede, di ba? Pwede natin silang ipag-divide. Okay, sige. So, tulungan niyo ako mag-divide. X minus 5 tapos dito sa loob ay x cubed. Pero take note, wala kang x squared. So, meron ka ditong plus 0x squared. Okay? Minus 6x minus 20. Guys, dito kasi sa ating numerator, may x squared talaga dapat dito, pero 0 nga lang yung kanyang constant. So, ilagay natin dito si 0x squared. Okay. Anong i-multiply mo kay x para maging x cubed siya?
X squared.
Okay, thank you. Ulit, x squared. X squared multiplied by x, x cubed.
X cubed.
X squared multiplied by negative 5,
Negative 5x squared.
negative 5x squared. Very good. So, i-minus natin itong mga to. X cubed minus x cubed,
0.
0. 0 minus negative 5,
Positive 5x squared.
okay, positive 5x
5x
squared.
squared.
So, we have here positive 5x squared and then bring down these terms. Okay? So, anong i-multiply natin guys kay x para maging 5x squared siya?
5x.
Okay, plus 5x. So, 5x times x,
5x squared.
5x
5x
squared.
squared.
Thank you. 5x multiplied by negative 5,
25. Negative 25x.
okay, negative 25x. And then, mag-minus tayo ulit. Okay? 5x minus 5x is equal to 0. Negative 6x minus
19x.
25, 19x. Positive, negative.
Positive.
Okay,
Sir.
positive 19x. Bring down 20. Di ba? Okay, anong i-multiply natin kay x para maging 19x siya?
19.
19. So, 19. So, 19 multiplied by x is equal to 19x. 19 multiplied by negative 5 equal to saan?
95, sir. 195.
195?
Hindi. Stala.
No.
95.
Ilan?
95.
95.
95.
Okay, so 95. So 95. Positive, negative.
Negative.
Okay. So minus natin to. 19x minus 19x is equal to saan?
0.
0. Okay? Negative 20 minus negative 95.
75.
Okay, positive 75.
25.
Okay, pero dito guys, may remainder tayo, tama ba? Kapag may remainder tayo, paano ba natin siya sinusulat? Okay, kapag may remainder tayo, ganito natin siya sinusulat. Plus 75 over
x minus 5.
Okay, very good. 75 over x minus 5. Very good, guys. So, yan yung meron tayo. So, meron tayo dito, guys. Integral of x squared plus 5x plus 19 plus 75 over x minus 5. Nasusundan? Gets ba? Nasusundan natin? Okay. Sige. So, integrate na natin to. Anong integral ng x squared natin? X cubed over... Anong integral ng x squared natin?
X cubed over 3.
Okay, x cubed over 3. How about 5x? What is the integral of 5x?
5x squared over 2.
Okay, very good. 5x squared over 2. What is the integral naman ng 19?
19x.
19x. So, ipakita ko na lang isa. So, we have here, guys, x cubed over 3 plus 5x squared over 2 plus 19x plus, okay, dito kasi, hindi ko muna siya in-integrate. Integral of 75 dx over x minus 5. Okay? Pero dito, sa tingin natin, ano bang integral nito? Kasi ito, pwede mo itong isulat ng ganito, di ba? 75 integral. Okay, ayusin ko lang. Isulat ko. Ito, pwede mo siyang isulat ng ganito. 75 times the integral of dx over x minus 5. Okay? Kayang-kaya na to, di ba? Kayang-kaya na to. Kasi sabi natin, pwede ka dito anong pwede mong gawin dito? Yung kaninang ginagawa natin, tama ba? So sabi natin, kapag meron tayong ganito, integral of du over u, it is equal to ln of u plus c. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, irisin ko muna itong mga nakasulat dito. Na kung saan, yung u natin dito, for example, ditong part na to, wait lang, nawala yung aking pen. Okay, ditong part, di ba, 75 integral of dx over x minus 5. Ang u mo dito ay x minus 5, ang du mo dito ay dx, di ba? So, pwede mo na ito ma-differentiate or ma-integrate. So, 75 integral of du over u. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so meron tayo dito, guys, ayusin ko na lang. Meron tayo ditong x cubed over 3 plus 5x squared over 2 plus 19x plus 75 ln of x minus 5 plus c. Nakita nyo ba yung sinulat ko?
Yes, sir. Nakita naman.
Okay. Guys, ano po yung ating LCD dito? Kasi gusto nating, di ba? What is our LCD here? 6. So, 6 divided by 3,
2.
2 times x cubed.
2x cubed.
2x cubed.
Okay, thank you. 2x cubed. 6 divided by 2,
3.
3 times 15, 3 times 5, x squared.
15x squared.
X squared.
Okay, 15x squared. 6 divided by 1,
6.
1 times, 6 times 19.
6, 12,
6 times 19.
19.
Mag-calculator na kayo. 114. 114?
114.
114x. Okay. 6 divided by 1. 6. 6 times 75. Mag-calculator na lang kayo. 450.
50, sir.
450. So,
450.
plus 450 ng ln of x minus 5 plus c. So, our final answer will be, okay, 2x cubed plus 15x squared plus 114x plus 450 ln of x minus 5 all over 6 plus c. Okay, so this will be our final answer. Okay po? May question po ba tayo? Okay, so this will be our final answer.
Wait lang, sir.
Okay.
Anong module to, sir?
Module number 3.
Anong Okay,
Number
sir.
3. Number 3. Tama ba? Number 3. I-skip muna natin
Parang
si
po.
number 2. I-skip muna natin si number 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sige. Okay, so far, any question? Wala. Okay. So, announcement lang, announcement. So, bukas, sa Wednesday class natin, okay, holiday kasi bukas, no? So, wala tayong pasok bukas. Kaya ko kayo minute yung mga nandito. Sa Thursday, mamimit ko yung mga nasa Thursday. Okay? But don't worry, siguro yung mga Wednesday class natin, if ever man kung ano yung madiscuss ko sa Thursday class, mag-send ako guys ng recorded lecture para at least mapanood nyo yung video or yung mapanood nyo yung discuss ko sa sa Thursday class. And then announcement lang, wala tayong klase on Friday afternoon because sa afternoon sa Friday ay suspended na yung class. And then sa Saturday, wala na rin klase. Okay, Christmas break na. So, ang next meeting natin will be next year na. Okay? Pero, yung mga block ni Ma'am Arian, okay, by next year, si Ma'am Arian na po yung magkaklase sa inyo. Okay? Pero yung mga estudyante ko naman, si COE 1-4 and then si 1-1, okay, kayo po yung mag-stay pa rin kayo sa akin. Okay? So, announcement lang guys, yung mga estudyante ko, quiz natin guys next week. Okay? Ay, next year. Okay, sa first day natin guys, next year, quiz natin. Okay, so mag-review kayo guys ha, mag-review kayo. Okay? Ang coverage na ating quiz will be Module 1 and Module 3. Yung Module 2, di ko muna i-discuss yun. So, quiz natin will be Module 1 and Module 3. Okay? May question po ba? Okay, mag-review kayo masyado ha. Mag-review ka mabuti.
May tanong na ako, sir. Pwede
Yeah.
ba maulit ito, sir? Pwede ba
Ano?
maulit video na to?
Pwede.
Pwede ba
Isisend ko mamaya yung video mamaya. Isisend ko.
Yes, sir. Para mag-review naman kami.
Okay, sige. Grabe naman si Andrea. Mag-review na daw siya. Sige. Okay, sige. So, may mga question pa ba?
Wala.
Wala na.
Yes, sir.
Okay, since wala na tayong question, guys, so thank you. And God bless you all, guys. See you na next year. Okay, or see you pala
Thank you,
this Thursday pala.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, mag-discuss pala ako this Thursday. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.